Welcome to Media Corner. This is Aidan. Today I'm going to show you how to use some of these new lower thirds assets that are located in the asset library. So to get to the asset library, in the editor, just hit the plus button, hit add image, now hit the plus button again, and now you're in the ScreenScape asset library. So we're going to go to design tools. That's where the lower thirds are located. They're just at the bottom here. Sometimes it's easier to toggle between the list and the thumbnail view. I find it's easier for these types of things to use the thumbnail view. I'm just going to select one of the assets here and move it into the editor. Great. It's all loaded up. So the ScreenScape asset library actually has a great resource for design tools. I'm just going to go back and show you some more awesome assets you can use. So there's lots of different folders. I'm going to go to backgrounds here first and check out these awesome subtle backgrounds that would lend themselves well to having text overlaid. As well as there's some great photography. There's numerous industry verticals as well as great lifestyle photography. I'm going to go to the nature folder here and just show you some of the awesome photos we have. Sometimes it's easier again to go to the thumbnail view. Look at those great photos. Those are just perfect for your projects. Just, drag them right into the editor and have a heyday. There's also some great graphics to use in your templates as well. So check out these different icons and shapes and lines that can be used in your projects. You just put them right into the editor and resize them and customize them for your projects. Alright, now that we have the lower third all loaded up, I'm just going to resize it and place it in the bottom left corner. It can be placed anywhere providing there's enough room to see the photo or video behind the lower third. I'm just going to add an image now and make it a little bit bigger and drag it right behind the lower third. Great. Now it's time to add a logo. So I have a logo I prepared here for an imaginary city. And just place the logo right in the middle. This should work for all logo formats, round or horizontal. So now I'm going to add some text and change the font to, whatever font you want to use. I'm using Lato Bold, and I'm just going to resize it just so it fits. Perfect. Now I'm going to add a website handle on the top portion of the lower third. And changing the font again to Lato Light, not bold. And now I'm going to just make it smaller and put it right there. Perfect. So now I'm going to add an animated SVG from the Animated SVG library. I have a link in the blog post. So I'm going to download some of these animated lines and they should show up in your downloads folder. You're going to have to unzip the file and select the one you want to use. I'm going to use a line single white regular, so that just means it's a single line and it's regular weight, it's not a thin weight. Just taking a minute here to load it up. There you go. So there's lots of ways you can position these assets, but I think it looks kind of nice to have it right at the top of the lower third. It's a nice little trick to engage your audience and bring eye movement to your digital signs. Have an awesome day. My name is Aidan. If you have any questions, get at me at mediacorner@screenscape.com. Take care. Bye.